In this video I will show you how to bypass Microsoft account login while installing Windows 11. Press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard to open CMD. Now type this command: ncpa.cpl. Press Enter. It will open Network Adapter window. Now right-click on your network adapter and disable it. Close the window. Now type this command: oobe_bypassnro. Press Enter. This will restart your PC. After restart, complete every steps. Now click I don't have internet. Click Continue with limited setup. Microsoft account login is now bypassed. Type your username. Click Next. Give a password or click Next. Now complete Windows setup. Now we are logged in with a local account. Let's enable the internet connection. Open Settings. Go to Network and Internet. Go to Advanced Network Settings. Enable the network adapter. Now the internet is back. That's it for today. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel.